Good evening, everybody. I'm Kerry Charles. Colleen has the night off. An appeals court reversed a judgment that gave two Columbus police officers qualified immunity in the shooting death of a 23-year-old. In 2016, two plainclothes officers, they were involved in the shootout with Henry Green. The next day, his mother filed a lawsuit against those officers and the city of Columbus, claiming wrongful death, excessive force, and constitutional violations. But a federal judge dismissed that lawsuit. NBC4 Sean Lanier joins us now with a breakdown of how the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals came to that decision. Sean, what do you know?
Yeah, Kerry, it was a three-judge panel that was reviewing the actions of those two officers again. This reversal of that previous judgment was based on the final shots that were shot into Henry Green. Now, the family attorney tells me that this is a way for them to get to some justice and closure, and that's what they're going to continue to fight for. A statement from the attorney representing Henry Green's family reads in part, "The court decided that there are circumstances surrounding Henry's death that deserve to be heard and decided by a jury. From the beginning, that is all we've asked for." This comes 4 years after Columbus police officers Zachary Rosen and Jason Baer in plain clothes shot and killed 23-year-old Henry Green in a shootout in June of 2016. It was on the first day of the city's anti-gang summer strike force. A grand jury declined to indict the two officers, and an internal investigation cleared them. Green's family filed a lawsuit against the city of Columbus and the two officers in 2017. It alleges they used excessive force, which was based on witnesses at the scene. The Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals wrote, several witnesses stated that the officers here continued to shoot Green after he dropped his gun and was falling or already down on the ground. Our precedent provides fair warning to the officers that shooting at Green after he was no longer a safety threat is unconstitutional. Officers Rosen and Baer are not entitled to qualified immunity on summary judgment. Columbus City Attorney Zach Klein sent a statement regarding the decision, which reads, "The city attorney's office takes these cases very seriously, with truth and the pursuit of justice as our primary goals. We are still reviewing this decision in its entirety to decide the appropriate course of action based on the court's ruling." And out of the three judges, there was one dissenting opinion. That judge said that the gunfire was brief. Both officers emptied their clips in approximately 5 seconds, and he did not agree that the officers could have, in that time, stopped and reassessed the threat level of Henry Green before those final shots were shot into Henry Green. Looking for you in downtown Columbus, Sean Lanier, NBC4.
Sean, thanks.